Hi, I'm MJ. Welcome to our Digicidor DIY channel. Today, we are going to see how to change the background of a video using various tools. Please, kindly subscribe and like our videos. You may desire to give your video a professional background that suits it. In this video, we're going to show you how to do it. Please, take your time out to hit the subscribe button and like our videos. I promise you, you would enjoy the ride. Now let's get into the video for today.
For this tutorial, we are going to use three tools: Leonardo I, Canva and CapCut. All three are free to use. Create an account with your email on each to begin the process.
This is the Leonardo I dashboard. It has provision for daily renewable 150 tokens on this free account. To begin, click Image Generation on the dashboard.
It would bring up the column for you to put the prompt you would use to generate the image, to use for the video background. Copy your prompt and paste it here into this column, or type in your prompt into the column. Then, click the Generate button on the right of your screen. These are the result of the images generated by Leonardo I. We are going to proceed now, and download one of them to use as a background. Go ahead and click the image you intend to use. Click the Download button. Now, the image has been downloaded. We now proceed to the next stage of this tutorial. The next stage is to use Canva. This is the Canva dashboard. On the search bar, type in YouTube thumbnail and press enter. From the result, select one, create blank. Click Create blank. On the left side of your screen, click Upload. This will enable us upload the image we just generated. Then, click Upload Files. We would go ahead to upload the image from its folder. The image is now uploading. Now, the upload is complete. Click on it to drag it into the blank thumbnail. Now drag it to fit into the blank canvas by using your mouse. Now, we proceed to rename it for ease of reference. Then, click Share to download it to your device. Click Download to complete the process. It's downloading. The image has been downloaded successfully. Now we proceed to the next step, which is the use of CapCut. This here is the dashboard of CapCut Online. Click Create New. Proceed with click to upload to bring in the background image we just downloaded. The image has been uploaded into CapCut. Drop into the timeline of CapCut, and drag it within the timeline. The dragging of the image on the timeline is to enable it to be same duration with the video that we are going to remove background from. I think that should do. To proceed, click Upload for the video that we are to change its background. The video has been uploaded into CapCut. We are going to drag it to the canvas and timeline. Now after doing that, with your mouse, adjust the video frame for it to be within the image. Click Smart Tools on the right-hand side of your screen. Click Remove Background. Activate the toggle to auto removal. The process of the removal of the green background from the video is ongoing. The progress of the removal of the background is on the timeline. As you can see, the process is now complete. The video background has been removed, and the image we uploaded previously is now the new background of the video. We are going to align and readjust the frame of the video a bit. This goes too for the background image on the timeline. Ensure it's same with the duration of the video. It's done. As you can see, the video is fully in play with a new background.
DIY channel.
A little more adjustment before we proceed to download the video. Now, to get the video, click Export on top of your screen. Before that, let's rename the video file name, for ease of reference. Now, proceed and click Export. Click Download. Proceed and click Export. The video is now being processed for download to the PC local storage. Now, click the Download button to get the video from CapCut Online to your computer device. The video file is now being downloaded. Now it's now complete.
I'm MJ. Welcome to our Digicitor DIY channel. Today we are going to see how to change the background of a video using various tools.
So, that's it.